Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now this time what we have is very simple homemade sausage roll recipe. It's hardly a recipe at all, actually, tell you the truth, but it makes 6 beautiful homemade sausage rolls. So let's get to it. Now we have the things to make it over here, and I'm going to tell you exactly what we have and how much it cost. There's only 2 ingredients here. Right, we have a roll of puff pastry, and that cost £1.10, and we have 400 grams of sausage meat, and that cost £2.74. So the whole cost of this is £3.84, and we're going to get 6 absolutely fabulous sausage rolls out of this at 64 pence each. As I say, this is going to be a very simple video, so let's get started and make some sausage rolls. Okay, here we have our roll of puff pastry. Now that has just come out of the fridge, so I'm going to let it stand just for a little while in the kitchen so it will soften up so it doesn't split when we use it. And here we have the sausage meat. Now this can be quite sticky stuff, so what I find best is to get plenty of flour on this little board here, and I'll put plenty of flour on my hands when I come to divide it. Right, so we'll get that out of its packing. There it is. As I say, this is a pork mincemeat from Asda, and it's very nice actually. I've made these sausage rolls many times. I make them for my lunch, you know, and it is a really nice sausage roll that comes out of this. Now, you may remember I do have another sausage roll recipe where I did them in the short crust pastry and used skinned sausages in them. But this recipe here is so simple and really, really delicious. So I just thought I would run through it and show you. Right, we're going to cut that into 6 sort of equal portions. And then, again, as I say, plenty of flour for this. We just want to sort of squeeze that into a sausage shape. I find it doesn't roll very well, but it will squeeze out. And that is about it there. Get another one, get some flour on it. And essentially what we want to do is just do the same with all of these. Right, that is about 5 inches. And that will fit into the pastry very well. So you want them about 5 inches long. Just keep stretching them and rolling them until they're there. Again, a little bit more flour for that one. Right, I'll just continue doing this and get the 6 of these made, and then we'll come back and do the pastry. I also have the oven heating up in the background. This wants to be at about 170 degrees, and they'll sit in there for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and they will be superb. Okay, that's them. I'm just going to set them aside at this point. Okay, so we have our roll of puff pastry. Now, I just want to flatten this out. Still feels a little cold, may get a little cracking towards the end here, but hopefully not. Okay, now I want to cut this down the middle. That's it there, happy with that. Right, we'll cut that down the middle like that. There we go. And now we want to cut it into 3 sections, giving us 6 squares, and they want to be about the same. Again, doesn't have to be millimetre perfect, but that's about it there. A little bit over about there. There we go. Now I'm going to get a little bit of egg wash just to stick these together. Okay, so we've got our pastry, we've got a baking sheet to put them on, we've got our sausages over there, and let me show you just the simplicity of this. This really is such a simple thing to do, and it makes a delicious snack or something for lunch, you know. And what did I say, 64 pence. These come out at 64 pence each. Now it'd be hard pressed to find a sausage roll as delicious as these for 64 pence. Anyhow, we egg wash each side of that. We flip it over, just press it together. And I like to press them down a little bit just to get a bit of spread on them. Then we can take the fork, crimp that together. We'll put a couple of scores in it. And get it on the baking sheet. Very good. Once more. We've got the pastry, we've got the sausage. I've got just a line of egg wash on either side. Press that down with the fingers. Then, as I say, just crimp it with a fork. Few scores, ready to go. That's the 6 of them. Now I'm going to give them a good egg wash. The oven is up to temperature at this point. As I say, I've got it at 170 degrees, and these will take about 20-25 minutes to bake through, so to speak. So that's it there. Into the oven they go. How simple was that? Okay, out of the oven. Just about 20 minutes later. Look at them. They look absolutely delicious. They smell excellent as well. And that was so simple. Such a simple recipe to put together. 6 beautiful homemade sausage rolls. I'm going to let them cool a little and I'm going to taste one. Okay folks, there it is. A homemade sausage roll. Made in no time at all. Very simple ingredients. Hardly baking at all really when you look at it. But these are really nice. I make them often for myself. And I just want to show you how simple it was to make these delicious homemade sausage rolls. So I'm going to cut a piece off that. That is looking absolutely delicious. That's a real sausage roll. And these will keep in the fridge. I normally just put them in a polythene bag and they'll last for a good few days in there. Really great for a light lunch or something like that, or just a snack during the day. So can I say, if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, baking all sorts of stuff really, always very cheap, always on a budget, and always absolutely delicious, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, I'm going to finish off the rest of this absolutely gorgeous sausage roll. And I thank you very much for watching.